Yarn-dyed fabric is produced by coloring the yarn before weaving or knitting, creating vibrant, long-lasting patterns with excellent color fastness. The process begins with selecting suitable fibers, such as cotton, linen, silk, polyester, or other synthetic materials.
High-quality raw yarn is prepared carefully because fiber characteristics directly influence dye absorption and fabric performance.
Next, the yarn undergoes soft winding onto perforated cones, tubes, or springs for efficient dye penetration.
These soft packages create open pathways that allow dye liquor to circulate evenly through the yarn. Before dyeing, yarn enters pretreatment processes to remove impurities and improve dye receptivity. Demineralization eliminates unwanted minerals that may interfere with dye chemistry and color consistency. Scouring removes natural waxes, oils, and contaminants that prevent proper dye penetration into fibers. Bleaching creates a clean and uniform substrate, preparing the yarn for accurate shade development. Prepared yarn packages are mounted onto carriers and loaded into high-temperature dyeing machines. Most manufacturers use package dyeing because it delivers excellent productivity, accuracy, and shade reproducibility. Dye liquor is formulated using dyestuffs, auxiliaries, salt, and process chemicals according to specifications. Powerful pumps force dye liquor through the yarn packages to ensure complete fiber wetting. The dye solution first travels from the package center outward, carrying color into the yarn. Flow direction is periodically reversed, promoting homogeneous treatment throughout every package layer. Automated controls continuously regulate temperature, pressure, and circulation for consistent dyeing performance. During color dosing, carefully measured dye is introduced into the circulating dye liquor. Color migration occurs at controlled temperatures, allowing dye molecules to distribute evenly within yarn. Soda dosing initiates the fixation stage, helping reactive dyes form strong chemical fiber bonds. Proper fixation improves wash fastness, rubbing resistance, and long-term color durability in fabrics. After dyeing, the yarn is rinsed thoroughly to remove residual chemicals and loose dye. Acid neutralization restores chemical balance and stabilizes the dyed yarn for further processing. Soaping removes unfixed surface dye, significantly improving shade clarity and color fastness properties. Hydroextraction removes excess moisture efficiently, reducing drying energy and processing time requirements. Specialized dryers use heat and airflow to achieve uniform moisture removal throughout the package. Once dried, the colored yarn is ready for fabric formation through weaving or knitting. During warping, yarns are organized in precise positions according to the intended fabric design. Different colored yarns are strategically arranged to create stripes, plaids, checks, and patterns. The weaving process interlaces warp and weft yarns to form the final fabric structure.
Because color exists within the yarn, patterns remain sharp and visible on both fabric sides.
Every fabric roll undergoes careful inspection to identify defects, inconsistencies, or quality concerns. Finishing treatments improve softness, appearance, durability, sheen, and overall customer satisfaction levels. Modern technologies like Colorized reduce processing steps, save water, eliminate wastewater, and support sustainable textile manufacturing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.